I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Emis with your administrator account. Authenticate fully so changes are auditable. Once logged in, search using the student ID to avoid duplicates and verify the matching record. Make sure you check enrollment status and any linked classes or attendance records now, because removing a student affects those tables. If you find multiple matches, stop and reconcile duplicates first. Accurate identification prevents accidental removals and saves time on rollback procedures. You now begin the actual removal workflow. Open the Student's Actions menu and choose Remove or Deactivate depending on policy. Fill in mandatory fields, reason for removal, effective date, and approver, because the system logs these for compliance. Before confirming, export a backup of their record as CSV or PDF. Include linked ID for classes and guardians. Once you submit, Emis will queue records for processing, monitor the job status, and capture any reference numbers for audit trails and downstream notifications. Finish by verifying the removal completed successfully. Check the processing queue, run a fresh search, and inspect dashboards to ensure the student no longer appears as active. Then notify stakeholders, registrar, teacher, and guardian, attach the exported backup, and update internal reports. If the job fails or partial data remains, consult the error log, often a missing foreign key or pending attendance entry blocks deletion. If troubleshooting fails, restore from your backup and escalate to IT with job reference numbers for intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.